Having trouble with the Microsoft Visual C Runtime Error? Your application requested the runtime to terminate, and we're here to help. Let's fix it step by step. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command sfc/scannow. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. All right, folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. First, search for Control Panel in your Windows search bar. Open Control Panel. Next, click on Programs. Then click on Programs and Features. Scroll down and find Microsoft Visual C plus 2015. Select it and click on Change. Now, click on Repair. Then confirm by clicking Yes. Wait for it to finish and click Close. Next, select the second Microsoft Visual C. Again, click on Change, then Repair, and confirm with Yes. Once it's done, click Close. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. All right, folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. For the next solution, open a browser and find the download link for the C++ file in the video description. If your device is 64-bit, download the x64 file. If it's 32-bit, download the x86 file. After the download finishes, click on the folder icon to open the file location. Double-click on the downloaded setup file. Click on Run. Check the box that says I agree to the terms. Then click on Install and confirm with Yes. Finally, click Restart once the installation is complete. Your issue should now be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.